and balance. Second is improve fine motor skills like writing, bicycling, drawing, etc. In cognitive development, can read simple stories and solve basic maths. Improve attention span. And third is understand simple logic and problem solving. In emotional development, begins understand emotions better, seeks approval from parents and teacher, become more confident with small tasks. In social development, make close friends, learn to share and cooperate, begins to follow rules in activities. And next, the developmental milestone in 8 to 10 years. In physical, faster growth in height and weight, better muscle strength, can participate in organized sports. In cognitive, think more logically and understand complex ideas, can play, organize and complete tasks, shows interest in school subjects and hobbies. In emotional development, develop strong self-identity, increase control over emotions, can understand others' feeling better. And social development, strong peer friendship and relationships, prefer group activities and understand the fairness rule and teamwork. Now, Archita, explain further. Thank you, Anu.
Now we will move further to age group 10 to 12 years. So starting with the physical development. At height is 131.5 to 147.5 centimeter. Pulse is 90 plus minus 20 beats per minute. Respiratory rate, that is 90 plus minus 3 beats per minute. Blood pressure, that is 109 by 58 plus minus 16 by 10 mmHg. Then at 12, weight for boys is 30 to 48 kgs and height for boys is 142 to 158 centimeters. Weight for girls is 30 to 50 kgs and height for girls is 144 to 160 centimeters. The unique characteristics in our age group 10 to 12 years is there is a secondary sexual characteristics that starts to appear, and then we will move further for the motor development. So starting with the gross motor development, the age group of 10 to 12 years enjoy all the physical activities. They can balance one leg with closed eyes, then catches tennis ball with one hand. Now coming to the fine motor development, that is dressing and grooming skills starts to develop, and better frequently and unassisted, baths frequently and unassisted, and movements are more graceful. Now we will move further for the age group 12 to 13 years. In 12 to 13 years, they show clumsiness due to their growth and development. So starting with the physical development, here we have weight, height, pulses, respiratory rate, blood pressures, etc. that you can read here. Now next we will move further for the unique characteristics that include eruption of secondary molars and secondary sexual characteristics that starts to develop. Now we will move further for the motor development. There is a clumsiness due to rapid physical motor development, and motor functions starts to compatible to the adults, and there is a manual dexterity is attained. So now we will move further for the red flags for the school age. So here we have given a red flags. There is a aggressive behavior, school failure, and lack of friends and social isolation. Now Ankita will move further.
Good morning, everyone, sir and ma'am. My topic for this is adolescent, which is middle adolescent and late adolescent. So the age group for middle adolescent is 16 to 14 to 16 years. They shows in physical development, weight, height are listed here, and rapid growth, which is rapid growth begins to slow down, and the person has the increased sexual curiosity and interest in this age group. Now moving towards the cognitive development. In this age group, they expresses concern for education and vocation, have improved cognitive abstract thinking, but they are still inconsistent. They find it difficult for the situations like in foreseeing the long-term consequences, and have the ability to have decision or problem solving abilities, but they are influenced by emotions. In emotional development, the students show strong desire for interest in this age group and have the emotional instability due to hormonal changes. In social development, they have a strong bond with their peer group, and they verbally opposes the parental beliefs. Next, moving towards the moral development. In moral development, they have the sense of injustice or rules and laws, and begins to question societal rules and parental beliefs. Moving towards the late adolescent, which the age group for late adolescent is 17 to 20 years of age, 21 years of age. In this, the physical development, they mainly shows the better coping or stress, better coping with stress and manages challenges effectively, and eruption of third molar or wisdom teeth is shown here. In motor development, they possesses manual dexterity, and in emotional development, they have identified their identity of self and aware of their self-esteem and improve self-confidence. In moving towards the cognitive, the psychosocial development, in psychosocial development, they have improved communication with their parents and improved communication and have fewer but close friends. In moving towards the moral development, in this the individual shows more independent decision making and have they think that the laws that are made are changeable, and they have the ability to think to differentiate between what is wrong and what is right. This was all about the age group of the school and adolescent developmental milestone. In conclusion, the school is an environment which play a vital role in the development of overall development of student and as well as adolescent. In this age group, this age group, students have rapid physical development, as well as have improved their cognitive thinking abilities, and the emotional changes are well shown in this age group. So the overall school environment influences and builds the self-confidence, learning ability of students, and they make them disciplined and provide the better pathway for their better pathway in their cognitive or in job or educational.
The case is now open for question.
Thank you.
Middle or late
So middle adolescent, early adolescent, so 12 to 13 years. Middle is 14 to 16 years.